Hi, I'm Mike Morgan, the R&D specialist here at Danchuk. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the taillights on a 55 Chevy. The first step is to remove the two screws on the chrome bezel with the Phillips screwdriver. Remove the top screw and the bottom screw, and the bezel will come right off. Next, we're going to take off the stainless band in here. Two screws on each side, same Phillips. You take the band off, there's another screw down here, and the backup light will come out. Then there's one screw holding the red lens in. Now, just lift this off. This is the reflector. Sticks to the gasket a little. Take the bulbs out. Next, we're going to take out the housing. There's 4 Phillips screws that hold it to the body. Just take out the 4 Phillips screws. Wiggle it out of the body. Okay, and the next step is to disconnect the wire harness from the light socket. The counterclockwise turn, pull back the rubber of the harness. It's over a lip on the socket, so it might be a little difficult to get off. And now you can see the plastic connector slips out just like that. Now that we have the old one out, installation is the same steps, only in reverse. Here's the new taillight we sell at Danchuk. It's a full assembly. It's all made here in the United States. Very nice. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to our Danchuk USA channel on YouTube for more tips.